The PHE Minister of Meghalaya, Renigton Lingdo Tongkhar, had recently visited Maukarwat for an inspection of the functional household water tap connection of the Jal Jeevan Mission, which is also part of the observation of Gram Sabha and Samvad, and also the Village Water and Sanitation Committee. During his visit to Punden Mauthauyang in Maukarwat, Renigton Lingdo Tongkhar expressed his satisfaction at the success of the water project, wherein water supply through the Jal Jeevan Mission has been provided to all households in the area. The PHE minister urged upon residents to continue to keep their households and surroundings clean so as to enable the upgradation of the villages from ODF to ODF+. While speaking on the Swachh Bharat Mission's cleanliness drive across the state, Tongkhar encouraged the public to keep up with the objective of the mission in making cleanliness a priority.
Kani ketika mission jongka Sarkar India, haka jing terelang jongi dan Sarkar Meghalaya ru, haka ba ngi pentikana ba on penpoi hamman lagi triung, bersukman dokta pengidon haka lagi senong, kabala yo 100% ya ka connection ban yo penpoi hamman la kiyeng. Te kalong kejikeman nganget ba ki longyeng ke snong kin sngoper ba ka jing im kala per haba kile yo ban yo ka haman laki kriuyeng mensual sekin haban litong ka na sejingai terim ta ki yo ya ka hala ki jo kriuyeng ngidon ro kene kesngi ban kan mau ya kene ka Gram Sabha sabat kesngi ha ka ba ngi kan mau ya ka jing pen ko ya ki snong ki thau jongi.
Those who accompanied the PHE minister during his inspection were the SDO of PHE Department Maukarwat, R. Nongdhar, officials of the PHE Department, members of the Darbar Shnong of Punden Mauthauyang, besides others.